Today I want to drink a milk, so I made it at myself. Mommy, can I have some milk now? Mommy, can I have some milk now? Now, let's go make the milk. Okay, so my milk was hello school. Hello school is my
Adik mau susu, Dek? This is Z. This is Hello School.
Okay, this is hello school. Now, time to get a hot water, okay? Time for make the cup of that and pour it here. I don't know. What is this? Ugh. Yuck. Now it's okay. It's full. Row your boat gently down to sleep. Life is not a dream.
Tutup susu tu dulu, awasin sendoknya.
Okay.
Awasin sendok tu.
Rest. Is that enough? Enough?
Semua.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, man. No, that's Hilo.
Nah,
Yes, Hilo. Okay, but I'll pause it first. This is the kitchen part, man. It's very yummy. Yummy. Yummy chocolate. Very yummy. Yummy. I'm gonna say goodbye first. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, always stay healthy and drink milk all day, 2 times a day, morning and night. Bye-bye.